one of the things, advice I would give is if you're already implementing a project, then find out those points on the project where you can look at bringing your stakeholders together, either those driving the process, those that are benefiting from the process, and those that are being affected by your implementation. It may not be bringing them together in a room. It could be talking to them at different points, and then also getting to analyze the data or the information, the regular data you collect on the project, and see where the trend is going, and then using the inputs there to be able to change some of the things that are not working well. Sometimes responsive feedback doesn't necessarily mean you have to change what you're doing. Sometimes it may be to consolidate on what you're doing, to continue to improve on your project outcome. So, but if you are yet to commence a project, I will advise that you design responsive feedback as you're designing the project, so that it doesn't require an additional resources. As you're talking to your key stakeholders is already part of what you're supposed to do anyway, so you're not requiring any additional financial resources. And finally, to also say that it's also very important to discuss with either your donors, government, whoever is funding your activity, that responsive feedback is a very critical aspect of implementation, because it allows you make changes promptly without necessarily waiting until the project ends. And of course, what that does at the end of the day, you get a better outcome, and it also saves you some resources.